If your iPhone's Wi-Fi is disabled and you're having trouble connecting, don't worry, we've got some solutions to get you back online. Today we're walking through the steps to fix a disabled Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Let's dive in. Here's how to fix disabled Wi-Fi on your phone. Open the settings app on your phone. Tap on Wi-Fi to access your Wi-Fi settings. Ensure that Wi-Fi is turned on by toggling the switch to the right. If it's already toggled on, toggle it off and then on again. After that, press and hold the power button and the volume down button, or the power button alone for earlier models until the slider appears. Slide to power off your iPhone. Wait 30 seconds and then turn your iPhone back on by holding the power button until you see the Apple logo. Then go back to Wi-Fi settings, tap on the I app icon next to your connected network and tap on forget this network and reconnect to the network by selecting it from the list of available networks and entering the password again. Now check for iOS updates. Go to settings and tap on general. Go to software update. If there's an update available, download and install any updates. Now, if your iPhone still won't connect to Wi-Fi, it might be a hardware issue. Visit the Apple support or use the Apple support app to get help. You can also schedule a visit to your nearest Apple store or an authorized service provider. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of disabled Wi-Fi on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more crypto tips and tricks.